Well, it seems that gardening today is all about container gardening. I'm in the trial garden at the University of Georgia, and there's a ton of containers in here. One I want to just sort of spend a little time on with you today is this plant called Duranta, dewberry, a bunch of different names, but Duranta is the easiest name. And they come in many different forms and shapes. They often have small flowers with quite handsome fruit. This one is grown for the foliage. This is Cuban Gold, and look at this in a container. It is filling the container, to be sure, and if you wanted to, throw some things out the side, that would be fine too. But I love this plant. Heat, humidity, rain, whatever. Just give it sun. This is a cool plant. Give it a go. It is an annual. If you want more information, take a look at Armitage's great garden plants. It's an app. Otherwise, come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and we'll do some gardening together.